If you are here, you have probably been hearing Agentic AI everywhere and must be wondering what does this mean to your role as a project manager. Over the last 2 decades, I have seen the major technology shifts: automation, RPA, AI ML, generative AI, and now agentic AI. And trend almost remains the same. The professional who have sensed the shift, they have aligned and repositioned themselves correctly, but the latecomers always struggles to catch up with the trend and reacted very late. So we are again at the same crossroad. This live workshop is designed for the project managers who wanted direction, repositioning, and alignment themselves. It's not bluff, but rather it's a real workshop. In this workshop, I am going to share with you what does this mean to agentic AI within the enterprise organization and where does the traditional project management fall short. At the same time, I'll also share a 90 days transitioning roadmap that will help you to transition from a traditional project manager to a agentic AI native project manager. So, if you're a project manager, more than 10 to 15 years of experience, and really you are committed towards transitioning your career, transforming your career, this is the right workshop for you. Show your commitment and join it. Thank you very much.